I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus NX key. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth to protect your key fob from scratches. Locate the small key release button, usually found on the side or back of the fob. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and safe process for accessing the internal components. Now, firmly press the small release button you located. While holding the button, gently pull out the mechanical key blade from the top of the fob. This action will expose a small seam or notch along the edge of the key fob, which is where we will begin to separate the two halves. With the mechanical key removed, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the exposed seam. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Work slowly and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, the battery will be visible and accessible for replacement. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to note its orientation. After replacing it, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Reinsert the mechanical key blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.